right, so it's starting to rain. We had a little bit of technical difficulty with the avalanche. We couldn't get the transfer case to go into four-wheel drive, but thankfully the Pilot comes in clutch. We have a third row, so we went ahead and folded it up. And so we've got some of the kiddos with us, right guys? Are we gonna go off-roading? And Mike's got the adults. We got Xterra tied up so she can't jump on the kids because that would be just terrible.
Yeah.
And yeah, so the Pilot's third row is already coming in clutch, and we're excited to go ride through Uwharrie some more. All right, everything's in order, and it's actually raining, which is kind of cool. So right now we're going to that Wolf Den trail, the first one we did yesterday that was easy, and we're gonna run it right now to see if, you know, the difficulty has increased like crazy. Depending how that goes, we've got a loop kind of designated out that I'll tell you about after we run the Wolf Den trail.
Man.
Oh boy.
This is insane.
What is happening?
Well, it's that group, remember?
Well, we're aired down, ready to go, so I think we're just gonna keep moving in line.
Copy that.
Hey, I think it's that group from yesterday, remember? Like the off-roading community people?
I think so too.
They're just probably all coming in. They're all just like airing down and all that stuff.
Harder to get out and film for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, probably so. It's a little crowded today.
It's like a roller coaster.
It is, huh? Is it fun?
Yeah. It's cold, Evan.
Oh.
You're letting us off. It's fun in here.
Feel that.
Yeah, the rocks are definitely
Back
slicker
up, back up,
today.
back up. They're gonna have to
Dude,
back
look
up.
at that truck three-wheeling in front of us.
I can't see them. I just slid around going over those rocks back there though.
Yeah, I like the Pilot.
Thanks, man. Dude, I love the Pilot. And then he saw the kids' windows down. They're like, and he goes, it's loaded.
Yeah, they were still talking about it when we were by.
Yeah, they're my kind of crowd. Traction control off for this trip.
Yep.
Nothing can stop us. Yeah.
Nothing could stop us, huh?
But once we almost got stuck. Forever.
I've been meaning to put a Honda Pilot Overland sticker on the back. I need to.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make it.
You should do an Instagram too.
Yeah, my Instagram's really good at pointing people to my YouTube channel as well.
Oh, I didn't know you had one.
Yeah, I do.
I slapped it.
Whoa. Don't shoot rocks at me, dear.
I couldn't see what I was doing. I ran over
Yee-hee.
I was watching on this side. Look on that side, y'all.
You hear the kids in there? Woohoo!
Somehow I became the leader of a caravan. There's so many cars behind us, and we're not holding them up, I'll have you know.
Don't you know? Hey,
Don't you? Hey, that's our friend from yesterday. What should we call him? The patriotic swamper?
Evan called him, or no, Isaac, I think, called him Captain America.
Captain America?
Yeah. So there's a 44 and a 45 car. They're both Porsche Cayennes. I wonder if they're like some sort of like actual
Like racing car?
Racing car or
Rally
something.
car?
I don't know, rally car, I don't know.
All right, I guess we're gonna dive into the deep end again on unknown paths or trails.
Hey, y'all good or are you just waiting on somebody?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
Okay, now you're good. You were just there when we went by the last time, so I just want to make sure, you know?
Yeah, one of our friends broke down, so they're taking our car back.
Oh no. All right, well, have fun. All right.
New trail.
The new trail.
Here's a little bit off.
Car
Oh,
up
there's
ahead.
another car behind you.
I might go ahead and use this.
Try that again. We're now entering uncharted territory.
Yeah, we were talking about that too. I think I'm gonna wait for this Jeep to come over.
Why don't you go through there?
You talking about behind us or what?
In front of us.
There's one in front of us.
10-4.
Oh. Change his mind.
Yeah.
What? Oh my god. What the heck?
Alright, we got a pinch spot here.
Alright, straight. Back to your right. Alright, straight. Straight. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Nice and slow. Straight. To the right just a little bit, or driver's side. Right there. Yep. Come on. Come on. You're good.
It's that
Walker.
rock. Hold on. I can get that rock
No,
if you
he's
would.
got 4 low. He's got clear
Okay.
4 low. All right, right there.
It's that rock thing you're slipping on though. Yeah.
He's got to put it in lock. He's got to lock the diff. Yep, come on. There you go. Yep. Keep it coming. Keep it coming. Oh yeah, perfect. Straight.
Oh, wait, straight?
Yep, right there. Keep it coming. Good deal, buddy.
Yeet.
79.
Yeah, I'm gonna just look at the map, double check real quick.
All right, go ahead.
I think we might be
79
going to
or
93.
I couldn't remember. I thought it was 93, but I couldn't remember.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to wash my shoes off before I get back in my truck.
So yeah, we
know.
can go either way
Yeah.
because we're gonna do this big loop and
Right.
come back to here, and then we're gonna have to go back down that way. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
This
Back
is
to
going
back.
downhill,
For right
which
now.
obviously, you know, we're gonna go both ways.
In some ways, uphill's safer.
Yeah.
But
Let's go straight.
Just turn the heat up.
we didn't bring any jackets. Wow, am I gonna even fit between this?
I don't know.
I'm good on your side, right?
Yeah. Oh, well. Oh. Oh.
You didn't video that
I
super
did.
well, but You didn't show how wide it, or how close we were, but it's okay. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know what I was thinking there, but I made it.
Man, we're in a tight spot.
Yeah, I was like, I think if he can make it, I can make it, but nah, I think I'll pass.
Yeah, there was absolutely no reason to do that other than I pulled up to it.
Don't run me over. Oh no, he's sliding.
Yeah! Little rubbing action? Alright. Nice. I wonder if he has the hill assist on.
I love the noise.
Yeah.
This is starting to feel a little bit more like home. Besides the hills. Yeah.
Lots of mud. It's kind of that red dirt though.
Yeah. Clay.
A little more slick.
I wonder if he has the hill system.
I love the noise.
There you go. Keep on going straight up. Straight, Micah. Mike to the left. Yep.
I might want to go back down so you can do your thing with me. Because,
Yeah. No. Come on back.
okay.
Oh, ha.
All right. So which hill was your favorite, kids?
All of them.
All of them? You like the easy hills or the hard hills?
Hard.
Oh.
The ones that were really moving and rocking and bouncing
Hard
you around.
and good. Hard and easy.
The hard and easy. Kenny said this next spot sounded like a lot of people were spinning tires, so he got into position up here, it looks like.
Okay.
Definitely a
What are these people?
really mucky area down here. All right.
Not advised for four-wheelers and wheelers.
All right, so Lenny's in the car. We're going up this. This looks like the steepest spot, and it's raining, so it's about as challenging as possible. But we're gonna try to do it. That rock looks like it's in a bad spot.
It does. Oh.
This rock looks like it's in a bad spot too.
Did you hear the little squeak, Dad?
Yeah.
Dad, there's
Can you breathe? It's so hard to get up those hills, man.
Yeah, it's crazy the car can do it. It's like
I know,
even hard
that's
on
what I'm
foot.
saying. Like, it's really hard on foot because, like, I was slipping and sliding all over the place. All right, pause for a second because I'm gonna go down there.
We're on a different trail now.
It says 390.
It does say 390.
What just happened?
Let me get the trail map here.
I know it's 390.
We'll let Mike make it up, but this is Daniel. This is the extremely hard one.
Doesn't look too hard yet.
We got off of 92 somehow or something.
Yeah, we're going down this way.
Yeah, we'll have to go down here and turn around.
What
I
does it
think
say about the 390 out down there?
it says Daniel extremely difficult.
Oh, good.
Dad, let's try this one.
Radio him or something.
This is gonna be challenging. Dad, I want to do
Hey
that.
Mike, look at the blaze when we're going down here.
This is gonna be
Okay.
says we're on trail 390. That's Daniel.
I think 390 is Daniel.
I know. That looks easy.
Oh my god. No way. We should try it though. It'd be fun.
So he did say there's a backside, and I think I see it to the left here.
There's no way we can get through this trail.
Did you hear him say though the backside? I see it right here to my left.
Yeah, I don't know.
You're going good. Just keep going straight with it.
Where are you going?
I am stopping right here to assess the situation.
Okay.
I told Mike to put his hill assist on.
Yeah.
That hill assist? Doing fine. Keep it going. Just keep the wheels turning. You're fine. You're a long ways away from the edge over here, Mike. You're okay. Turn back to your right just a little bit. There you go. Stay over here towards the right, Mike. That left side is real steep. Yep, right there. Right there. Straight. Keep the wheel straight. You're good. Doing a good job. Doing a good job.
Guys, look at Kenny. He's riding it.
Just about got straight sideways a couple.
Dang, man. 92 goes this way. That's how he missed it.
Look at your dad.
Those vehicles came around those corners quick.
Oh, this one looks really steep. Woo.
That might have been my first wheel slip of the trip.
Yeah.
Nice.
One vehicle slip.
LOL.
You're gonna scrape probably a little bit, but
So I did really well on that hill, but guess what I left on?
VTM for what?
Traction control.
I know.
That sucked. So this is really getting more technical.
I like it.
Yeah, I am too.
Alright, the guys are coming back. So what's the plan? We gonna do it?
The alternate.
Huh?
We're gonna take Mike up the alternate first, up to the top, and then him up that side.
If Mike can make it up the alternate, we're gonna try the main line.
Okay.
It's gonna be pretty extreme, and we got epic footage of a giant 4x Jeep going up it. So if we can do it, it'll be pretty epic. I think we
Alright.
can. If Mike can make it up this alternate path, I'm gonna try to take the main path. We got some really good footage of a Jeep going up there and another Jeep kind of limping down. It's super slick and steep. Killing it, Mike!
Perfect, dude. Perfect, Mike.
Almost smooth sailing from here. Good job, Mike!
Let it cool. That was awesome.
If things go according to plan, Mike, I'm gonna be popping out right over there.
You're coming up a different route?
The main route.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. We'll see.
Okay, then.
Pull all that down.
Hey Kenny, I'm gonna go get my traction boards.
Okay, straight. Straight. To the left. Come on, come on. Keep on coming. Keep it coming. Turn it. Perfect. Yep. Perfect. Good deal. Perfect.
Yeah.
Right there.
Alright, this one might be good.
One sec.
Hey, you want to put the board there too?
Yeah.
You think gentle or kind of like I've been doing? I mean, I can go a little smoother. Full send. Run the ABS. Full send. Full send.
Anybody got a winch? They have to hook on.
I got a...
You're already up.
Go.
No, you're good. It was just the board.
Go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, how's the stump doing?
He's up against it. Hold it.
Go.
This is the day those boards were meant for.
And busted his,
It's okay. Yeah, it wasn't your car.
it got a little damage. Yeah, it's plastic.
A little bit.
They
Can I
busted
give
it.
you something. I
Oh,
appreciate it, man.
It's like Christmas.
Yeah.
Thanks, guys.
I know these boards have a limited lifespan.
Yeah.
Y'all need any help getting up, we'll stick around for sure.
I actually have a winch on the front of my Pilot, so, and I just got it, so I'm excited to try it out. But I do want all the Jeeps out of my way so they're not giving me looks.
Yeah. Everybody's gonna be different, right? I guess that's why I'm not gonna afford it.
Yeah.
Hey, you took out a stump?
Kenny, did you get that?
Oh yeah. You found a buried stump.
Yeah. He just needs to get over them.
Still videoing you.
All right, so I'm pretty stoked. I made it up that trail, that hill, and over that rocky area in one shot. I was the only vehicle that kind of went that way, that made it in one shot without having to like stop. And my traction boards allowed 2 vehicles to get up and over the rocks there, and they basically got destroyed. And not that they'll exactly pay for it, but we got $70 from the people.
They gave you money for it?
They gave me money, yep.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
To help me with recouping my costs, which is funny because they were already cracked. I mean, they weren't as cracked as bad as this is, but
Yeah.
uh-oh. I thought we were done with the rocks.
Oh boy.
This is still a moderate trail?
Yeah, supposedly.
Wow. Well, we kind of got a taste of what the extremely difficult ones look like, so I kind of believe it.
Yeah, true. Maybe stay behind us a little ways, just in case we slip backwards.
Yeah, I'm back here right now. We got people coming up behind us, too.
Which, are you going that way?
Yes.
Okay.
The slippery.
Oh, buddy, don't take us off the mountain, dear.
I won't.
Alright, just calm down. It's not that steep, actually, over there. I thought it was steeper.
Are you videoing this?
Oh, yeah. Careful for that rock, though.
That line to the right you're on.
Woo-woo! Oh, that didn't
No, we're
sound
good.
Careful for the tree, dear. Tree.
I know, there's a rock too. Skid plate! There you go. Let me get the traction boards, man. You got it locked on?
There you go. Oh.
All right, one more real quick. That's a good street.
So slippery.
Bump it a little bit more. Bump it a little bit more.
He had it in neutral or something?
Lost our progress. You okay, Mike? Hold up. Wait. All right.
There you go.
Yeah, you're a little hung up on a rock. I would turn driver and then back up a little bit to start with. All right, now passenger. I told you the wrong way to start with. Yeah.
It actually worked out.
Yeah. I think you might need to reset though.
Yeah. I would say go back down.
I think we put the traction boards in the right place and you keep your rear end that way more. And then if not, I'll try to winch you.
Yeah, just slide over a bit.
There you go.
Embarrassing.
Saw my Honda, right?
Yeah, it was embarrassing.
I love it.
What do you drive? What do you drive?
On Pilot Overland.
100 miles. Okay.
Yep.
My rear is open. That's what did me in.
Yeah, so the Pilot's a sleeper because the back does have power to both wheels. And then it's just clearance, but spacers and stuff take care of that.
Nice. I got plenty of clearance, but
And then I'm not going to say the mud trains didn't help a lot.
Yeah.
They were awesome. Pilot just made it up this hill in one shot, and a bunch of Jeepers and other people were saying that.
He's just going to sit on this rock.
Yeah.
Run it down. We haven't covered the grass.
They were saying that they were really surprised that I made it up it, and Mike did his best, and we tried to use the traction boards, but he's probably going to need a little bit of winching help to get up and over. He's going to give it another shot. His tread just got clogged.
Come on with it. You got this. Come on. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Good job. Stay in it. Come on. Stay in it. Stay in it.
Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Yeah!
Woo! Some throttle. Woo!
All right. Good job, Mike.
It was bogging down.
Dude, yeah. Hey, there was a rock I skid plated out on.
Saying stay in it. I'm like, it's
Yeah,
mad.
yeah, yeah.
It's mad at me.
It's mad at me. It's mad at me.
Hey,
I've got trash.
they're gonna move.
What are we gonna do right here?
So I went to the right and then to the left. Yeah, so drive nice and you want them to straddle it? Okay, just drive real slow. There you go. Let me get out of your way, Mike. All right, so let's watch this truck real quick. Actually, Mike, we might need to pull you up. I have to get the traction boards.
I'll try to find it.
Yeah, find a place to pull over up ahead.
Whoa! That's how you do it, man, right there.
Way better than how I did it.
Traction boards are not doing well, but
Why don't I pull forward and winch him up through here while he's...
okay, we're actually gonna head up the trail.
Okay. Yeah, I can get... You're all up here, right?
Yeah.
So I can get up through here.
Yeah.
Done! Let's winch you up!
All right, so we made it through some pretty serious stuff right there, and I think I already said this, but one of the guys was like up there kind of spotting and stuff, and he was basically calling me out saying there's no way I was gonna make it. I was right behind a Jeep that struggled a little bit, and I made it in one shot, made it look easy. The guy was like, dude, you guys need to go buy Hondas. So those people.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
I couldn't hear what
He
said.
goes, no way this Honda makes it. No way this Honda makes it. And then I made it. He goes, you guys need to go buy Hondas.
Okay. I didn't really hear him very good.
Yeah, it was hilarious.
That is hilarious.
Got Mike's car going first for right now.
Yeah, we get a
We get
little
to watch
bit
him
of
from
a
the back
rear
a
end
little bit.
shot. Yeah. All I know is I think our mud terrain tires have been part of what. Ooh. See him kind of sliding a little bit?
Yeah.
He doesn't like that. Gotta stay in this lower rut here.
Yeah.
But like I was saying, our mud terrain tires have been really probably the things shining. which thankfully these trails, I think I've been able to.
I'm impressed right now with like the wheels and everything that we've got going on right now. Yeah, we definitely need to get a sticker on the back though. I feel like a lot of people would have looked up our channel if they had
Yeah,
seen.
we definitely need to have a Honda Pilot Overland with the YouTube button, play button on it.
I'll die cut that for us when we get home.
Because these people are seeing us and they are definitely, especially when they see us do something good, they're making note, but there's no way of them to know how to find us. Other than if they like started Googling like off-road pilots or something. But ooh, this looks like a steep fall right here.
Oh. You guys good back there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Your tread's all clean now.
Good, maybe I'll get some traction for once.
Oh yeah. After this trip, you need to get a set of big balls put on there.
Just laughing.
How much further does this trail go?
Where are we on the map?
Yeah, good luck with that.
93.
I know.
93.
I can ask Siri, but I don't think she'll be much help.
Probably not. Somewhere right here, maybe.
We're stopping again up here. Now they're going, but I'm gonna let them go.
Okay. I'll wait.
He's got it, dear. He's got it.
You got it?
He got it.
We probably should do a better job capturing some of these things I'm one-shotting because we're not getting good footage of it. Like right there in the previous one, we didn't have external footage. We only had evidence that we made
well,
it.
we have people behind us, so.
I know.
So this is still 93.
I don't know where we're going.
Say that again?
What's that?
What'd you say?
I was like, I don't know where we're going. We're on trail 93 right now.
He said, I don't know
Yeah,
where I'm
93 is
going.
right.
To 79. We're trying to get to 79, I think.
93 to 79.
Man, our floor in our car, those caked with mud. It's so gross.
Yeah. They're floor mats.
Whew. For a second, I
The
thought.
rock there. That's a pretty good one.
Yeah, I saw that. For a second, I was worried you were going to take out your bumper.
Yeah.
It's starting to get dark. It's 4
It's starting
o'clock.
to get kind of dark. That's what we came here for, man.
Yeah, man. It's been a full day.
Yeah, but we need
But Lenny, we didn't need to use our winch yet.
Oh, how
We might be able to
dare
take care of that tomorrow.
Yeah.
I already came up with a game plan for doing the Dutch John tomorrow. And
Oh, I heard.
you heard the plan. So the camera didn't hear the plan. The plan is tomorrow, if Mike doesn't want to do the Dutch John, then I'm probably going to go to the trailhead and ask for someone to wheel with me, just in case I have a breakdown or something. But I am pretty excited. Don't go too fast. When you go up and over things, you should always try to keep 2 wheels on the ground and not go diagonals over things. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Don't diagonal things. And also, if you think you're gonna have to diagonal things, you can put it into VTM 4 lock.
Yeah, that's true. I should have done that.
Well, you could have just drove straight over it.
Why don't we just keep it in VTM 4 lock for all this stuff?
Because you have to keep it in first or second gear, and first gear is just really slow. Lenny's killing it out there. right, so day 2 is complete of off-roading. We're gonna go get some supplies and stuff at the outpost. The pilot kind of killed it today. We made it up some trails that we had no business making it up. We made it up trails that Jeeps struggled on. I even had one guy, as I was coming up the mountain, say like, there's no way this Honda makes it. And then I made it. He goes, everybody needs to buy Hondas. It's hilarious. But I think it was the mud terrain, tires, and the fact that we've got the VTM 4-lock sending power to both rear wheels.
And we heard you, Isaac. And I think it's our lift as well.
Well, yeah, you got to have the clearance. You have to have the clearance to play the game, and then you have to have the power to the wheels to move, and then you have to have driver skill and recovery gear. That's the other thing that's crazy. Yesterday we did use our traction boards a little bit. Today, the pilot did not use our traction boards a single time. We helped the Porsche up. We helped Mike up with them. But our vehicle did not need them, which is just insane. I was loving it. We have some rubbing. I need to address the rubbing some more. Where on this trail we pushed our flexing capacity farther than before. I just realized that I could call that the flux capacitor. Our flux capacitors were pushed to the max. Another thought just crossed my mind, which is pretty funny, but true. I guarantee you we were the only 4-wheel drive vehicle on those trails today, probably carrying 5 kids and 2 adults.
Yep.
Think about that, and a dog.
Yeah.
Yep.
This has room for 8 passengers. It's pretty amazing.
Eli said his favorite part was when we made it up over one of the obstacles, and the guy goes, "Oh, it's awesome!" And the windows were down. He goes, "It's loaded with kids." That was funny, right, Eli?
My favorite part is getting the special treat.
Yeah. Isaac earned it, right? Yeah.
You too.
The kids did really well today.
My favorite part. Yeah, but I don't want to eat it at home.
All right, let's let the girls in the back talk.
My favorite part was when we went over the big hills.
The big ones? Yeah. That was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah, it's like a roller coaster.
It was like a roller coaster.
It was a roller coaster.
Well, kinda.
Ellie's trying to think.
Ellie, I can't hear you, sweetie.
Gotta talk up.
I was asleep when I saw. I didn't know what was happening because I was.
Oh, you were asleep?
I was kind of tired.
Yeah, that's alright. You took a little rest, huh?
Did the ride kind of put you to sleep a little bit?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good too.
But I did see the bumps. When I liked when we would go up when we went on the hills.
Yeah, you like going up and down the hills? That's awesome.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. What was your favorite part, Evan?
I don't want to eat it at camp.
Camp? You like being at camp? Awesome. Alright, well, we're headed back there now. Yay!